So as you can see, I had a delivery to the house this week. Welcome to my throwback video. This is an unboxing. I haven't done one in a while. It's from Planterina. I'm very excited. Someone had mentioned in the comments that they had ordered this plant, and I responded with, guess what? I had actually ordered this plant, and I'm so glad to hear that you had a good experience because I was very excited when I saw it on the website. The plant came very well packaged. The temperature here has been fluctuating a lot, and so I did order a heat pack with it just to be careful, just in case the temperature dropped. The only time I've really had a hard time with my Calatheas, and that's the heating pack, it's still warm, is when they've had cold damage. So somebody mentioned some tips. I'm going to go back to that comment and look at them again when it comes to protecting them from the cold or after they've been exposed. But this came with a lot of really thoughtful instructions, aside from just being well packed, some general care requirements, as well as some initial, this plant has been in a box and this is what you should do with it as soon as it's out. As you can see, this is a Calathea Whitestar, and you might say you already have two of these. You just showed these. I do, but I don't have a large, mature, beautiful Calathea Whitestar. I have a more mature Whitestar that is recovering from an overseas shipping situation, and then I have a much smaller Whitestar, and it's going to take time for that one to look like this. And so I thought, I didn't think anything, let's be honest. I saw it and I clicked, add to cart. I have a very hard time saying no to Calatheas, and I'm not sure that's going to change anytime soon. And so like I shared, the temperature here is really fluctuating, and it's getting warm enough where the air conditioning is going to maybe need to be used soon. And I'm looking at this Calathea thinking, oh gosh, just another thing to dry the air out. So I'm trying to understand, since this thing has like maybe one or two crispy tips and that's it, which is pretty much impossible for this type of Calathea. This is in such great shape. I'm really trying to strategize about how to keep it looking like this. And with the air conditioner coming on, I don't really have a choice where I live. We have when it comes to our air quality, it really varies day to day, and we have days where we have more dangerous air quality, where there's a high particulate matter in the air, and that definitely can trigger health conditions, and it's not something you want to expose yourself to, especially when the source is vehicles. So one of the reasons I actually got into plants was because I was interested in improving the indoor ambient air quality in my home. And while studies do demonstrate that houseplants can reduce like a volatile organic compound, there's not a study that I've seen that shows they have any significant impact on particulate matter inside of homes. And so that's why I've never made an air quality video. Some of the studies that I've read really show that it might actually just be potting soil itself that is filtering VOCs out of the air. So, if there's not the data to back it up, I tend to not want to share anything. However, I always do check to see if there's synthetic fertilizer, and there is time-released fertilizer in the soil, and so I make a note now not to double dose, and it doesn't really matter actually because I'm not using liquid synthetic fertilizer anymore. So adding some more warm castings to this isn't going to hurt it. However, dry air will. So again, I'm thinking about it, and in the plant room, I've got to think about a better humidity situation. I've been using the small diffusers around the house to keep humidity up in small clusters, and now I need to think about it on a broader scale. And I hope that you're having a great Sunday. That's when this is going up. If it's another day when you're watching this, I hope you're having a great day. And until next time, be well and take care.